All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Saturday phrasal verbs. So look out. Look out. Keep a careful watch out for something. Yeah, watch out. Yeah, definitely. Watching out for something, yes. So, he will look out for danger. They are on the lookout for predators. Yes, yeah, definitely. We are on the lookout. We are on the lookout for another car, for example, on the road. Yeah. I think he is looking out for more people. They should look out below. Look out below. Yes. Definitely. Careful. Watch out for something. They need to be looking out for any movement. Anything that happens. Keep a lookout. Keep a lookout for the guards. Yeah. How cool is that? We looked out for them, but could not see them. We looked out for them all night. We kept a lookout for them all night. We kept a look out for them all night, but we didn't see them. The birds are looking out for danger. The birds are looking out for danger. The birds, there we are. Yeah, how cool is that? Very good, yeah, the birds, definitely. They are always looking out for danger. Yeah. I will look out for them next time. I didn't see them this time. I did not see them this time, but I will look out for them next time. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use look out in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.